It's time to make another batch of dog ice cream. Part of being a women's health examiner for examiner.com is knowing that women, in order to be healthy, we're not just focused on being physically healthy, we're also focused on being emotionally healthy. And one of the ways that a woman can be emotionally healthy is knowing that the people and the pets that she loves are well taken care of. And in very hot weather, it really helps if your pets, dogs specifically, have dog ice cream served to them in the heat of the afternoon. So here is a second batch of homemade ice cream. Here's the ingredients I'm going to use. Just thinking about the flavors that my dogs, my 3 puppies, love to eat. They love milk. They love bacon. They love tuna. They love peanut butter. And they love cheese. So these are the ingredients I'm going to put in this batch of ice cream for dogs. Step 1, I'm going to take this Value Time Chunk Light Tuna in water, open them up, and place them in the measuring cup. Because I have 3 puppies, I'm going to use 3 containers of tuna. Make certain that you use the entire container of tuna, water included. I now have 3 containers of tuna in the measuring cup. This is what it looks like so far. My second step, I'm going to add Value Time bacon flavored bits. I'm taking the bacon flavored bits and adding probably a couple of teaspoons full. Okay, I'm mixing the tuna and the bacon bits together. That's what it looks like so far. Next step, I'm going to add the sharp cheddar cheese. I'll probably add about 1/2 cup. Okay, there's about 1/2 cup in the container, and I'm going to mix that together. Okay, there we go so far. Now I'm going to add some powdered milk. I'll add about 1/2 cup. If your puppies or dogs happen to be lactose intolerant, you might want to add plain yogurt instead. My dogs, so far, adore powdered milk mixed with water. My last step is I added about 1 cup of water, and I'm going to stir and mix it all together. Since that's rather thick, I'm going to add a bit more water. So I probably added about 1.5 cups of water instead. All right, that's what the mixture looks like. Next step, I'm going to add some crunchy peanut butter. I'll do 1 big spoonful. I'm going to use that amount. That should be plenty. And now I'll mix it all together. This is what it looks like inside. Let's see if I can get this lined up right. I'm now going to place this into 6 Glad Lockware containers. I started to do it before but realized I'd forgotten to add the peanut butter. I'm going to about half fill each container with this dog ice cream mixture. This amount should be enough to make 6 containers of ice cream. I've discovered that I only need to fill the containers about half full, because otherwise there's going to be too big of a mass of ice cream for the puppies. Now, if you have a larger dog, you might want to fill it much more than half full. Okay, I've made 6 containers of ice cream. Since I have 3 puppies, this will only last me 2 days. So I'm going to put the lid on, but I'm not going to screw it fully tight because obviously when you freeze things, it's going to expand, so you've got to give it a little bit of wiggle room, shall we say. And then the lovely thing is, now you can stack this in the freezer. So it shouldn't take up so much room. Let it freeze overnight, and by tomorrow I'll be all ready to serve some tuna, peanut butter, bacon, cheese, milk, ice cream for my 3 adorable pups. Here is the finished tuna dog ice cream. To get the ice cream out of the containers, I ran hot water on the sides of them. That way I could squeeze them out onto their dog dishes. So here is the dog ice cream made with tuna and other ingredients, all ready to be served to our 3 adorable puppies. All right, there's Little Bit enjoying his dog ice cream. He's the little black dog. And there's Ears, the little brown girl dog, enjoying her tuna dog ice cream. And there's Freckles enjoying his tuna dog ice cream, held by Uncle Randy. There's Little Bit, the little black boy dog, enjoying his dog ice cream, and Ears, the little brown girl dog, enjoying hers. It's a hot afternoon, so this is a way to kind of cool them down, or cool them off. And there's Freckles enjoying his tuna dog ice cream.